In this video, I'm going to use energy to find the height to which a fire projectile goes into the air. Let me redo my drawing. So I got projectile. I got cannon. I'm going to fire Boo Boo Kitty into the air. I'm going to fire him straight up, so I'll have an initial velocity. His final velocity, or final speed, will be 0. And I would like to know the final height to which he goes. So I'll use energy. Use conservation of energy. Energy initial equals energy final. So just like before, I think about the various types of energy he could have. So he could start with potential energy. He could start with kinetic energy. He could end up with potential energy. And he could end up with kinetic energy. Now, look, he's being fired at my 0 line for potential energy, so he has no kinetic energy from that point. And then once he gets to the top of his path, he's not moving, so he has no, I goofed that up. He's fired, so he's fired from the 0 line, so he has no potential energy. Sorry, he does have initial kinetic energy. And as he goes up, he stops moving at the top of his path, and he has no kinetic energy there, but he does have potential as measured from the point from which he was fired. So my initial kinetic energy equals my final potential energy. Kinetic energy is 1/2 mass velocity initial squared, and potential energy will be mass gravity height final. Masses cancel. Now, I'm going to solve for my final height, and you could leave the 1/2 in the front of the initial velocity squared, initial speed squared, or you could put the 2 on the bottom, which I think I will. So I'm going to change the way I have that fraction written. I'm going to divide by acceleration due to gravity, and I have the height to which Boo will fly.